Is DWI or DUI charged as a felony or misdemeanor under New York state law? And what difference is this going to make to my DUI or DWI charge in Orange County? If you're charged with a DWI or DUI in New York state, it is typically considered to be a misdemeanor. However, there are certain factors and components that might affect your case and change your offense to a felony charge. For example, if someone was seriously injured or killed in connection with a DWI or DUI, it will almost always become a felony offense. Vehicular manslaughter or vehicular assault can be considered a negligent homicide if you're under the influence of or impaired by any substance and someone is killed. If there is a person in the vehicle that is less than 16 years of age and you are operating a motor vehicle while in an intoxicated condition, a misdemeanor DWI or DUI becomes a felony due to Leandra's law in New York State. In any regular DWI or DUI case, when a person is driving and has a blood alcohol content of 0.08% or more, it will typically be considered a misdemeanor charge. However, if some of the underlying conditions or factors are present in the case, such as are mentioned above, it can bring a DWI or DUI charge up to a felony. Another factor that can change the degree to which you are charged with a DWI or DUI has to do with your driving record. If you are convicted of a DWI or DUI and you are arrested for DWI or DUI again at any time within the following 10 years of your initial conviction, the second DWI or DUI arrest will be charged as a felony. In New York State, there is also a charge of aggravated DWI or DUI. This is also a misdemeanor level offense and refers to when a person is operating a motor vehicle and their blood alcohol concentration is 0.18% or more. Aggravated DWI or DUI is only a misdemeanor charge, assuming other components, such as the factors mentioned above, are not present. However, an aggravated DWI or DUI does come with enhanced penalties, such as a person's license being revoked for an increased period of time. Under regular circumstances, such as a misdemeanor DWI or DUI, a person's license will typically be revoked for a period of 6 months. However, in the case of an aggravated DWI or DUI, a license will typically be revoked for the period of a year. If you or a loved one are in Suffern, New York, and are facing a DUI or DWI or other criminal charges, Attorney Randall F. Inniss has got you covered. You deserve the highest level of legal representation and the chance at a clean slate. So call the Inniss firm PLLC today or visit our website at www.trooper2lawyer.com.